Locational aspects in India. Aspects in India. So we have to see the location of the India, right? So how do you find the location of the India? From which aspects we have to find the location of the India, and what is its relevances, and what are the current issues that we are going to see. First is location of India. We will be studying about. First thing is latitudinal location. Latitudinal, number one. Okay, number one. Number two, we are going to study from your longitudinal aspects. Longitudinal aspects. Then also from the coastal aspects. From the third one will be coastal aspects. From the coastal aspects. So from the three angle which we are going to see location of the India. Okay. So first of all, the aspects of Indian latitude. Now what are the latitudes? First we'll see about the latitudinal aspects. So what is latitude here? You see. What is latitude? What are latitudes? Latitudes is horizontal line. Am I right? Horizontal line which is around the earth's surface. Is it circle or single line? Is it circle or single line? It is a circle. Latitudes are a circle. Circle. Right? But we can only see half circle. We can only see half circle. How? If you look at this earth surface. So can I say that latitudes, if you look at this here, can I say this latitude, 0 degree latitude, which is called 0 degree latitude, which is called equator. Yes or no? So can I say that equator is dividing the earth into two half? Am I right? Equator is dividing the earth into two half. What we can say that one is a north hemisphere, the other is a southern hemisphere. Yes or no? One is a north hemisphere, the other is a southern hemisphere. And now you see, there is a line which is dividing vertical line, horizontal line. These are imaginary lines, no? One is longitude, one is latitude. So what is the latitude 0 degree in significance of 0 degree? 0 degree latitudes signifies that the earth is divided into two halves, north hemisphere, south hemisphere. Okay, number one. So significance understood, 0 degree significance. What is 0 degree? That divides the north hemisphere, south hemisphere. That is above the equator, north hemisphere, below the equator, south hemisphere. Number one. Number two, you see, can I say that this is a connecting the vertical line which is connecting north pole, south pole. Am I right? Connecting the north pole and the south pole. So where does India is now? Now where is India in this? Where is India? Can I say India is totally in the north pole? Yes or no? Sorry, north hemisphere. Right, like this. Now, what is the significance of India? When it is in the north hemisphere, India is in north hemisphere. Right? India is completely in the north hemisphere. So, can I say that India is very close to the equator? Yes or no? India is close to equator. What is the significance if India is close to the equator? Yes. Yes. That is more sunlight. More sunlight. If it is more sunlight, can I say hot climatic condition? Hot climate condition. And if it is hot climatic condition, what is the significance of it? Can I say, if it is a hot climatic conditions, what is the significance? India is close to the equator. India is in the north hemisphere. More sunlight, hot climate. Now, if it is hot climate, can I say it is a suitable, India is suitable for energy. Am I right? Yes or no? India is suitable for the energy. What is the significance? See, this is how we have to learn the subject. Significance of it. ఎలా చదువుతున్నాం చూడండి. Okay, significance of the India. More sunlight, more hot climate, more solar energy. Yes, right, clear? That is your first thing. That means it is a hot climate. Now, when you talk about the equator, latitude, this equator refers, latitudinal equator, latitudinal 0 degree refers to north and south division. But can I say that there is earth is inclined? Yes, earth is inclined also. Now, how to draw these angles? Generally we say 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Angle and angular distances is drawn mainly angle and, I'll just write it here. Angle and comma angular distance. Angular distance drawn from where? From the equator. From the equator. That is how you see here. How they are drawing? They are taking this equator here 0 degree. Yes or no? And then 30 degrees drawn. 30 degrees drawn here also. So this is what? 30 degree from this plane. Yes or no? 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. So if you join them, it will be like this. If you join them, it will be one circle. One circle like this. Okay, this will be one circle like this. Back also it should be there now. So one circle. This is half circle. Another circle will be like this. Clear? Number one. Number two, if you look at here again. So 60, that is angle or angular distance drawn from the equator. Now from 60, you see. This is your 60. This is your 60. That means this is your 60 degree. This is a 60 degree. 60 degree latitude. Same way here also. 30 degree, 30 degree. 60 degree, 60 degree. Am I right? Clear? So angular distance drawn with respect to the equator, drawn from the equator, or with respect to, drawn with respect to, I'm writing here, drawn with respect to the equator of the globe, is called your distances. Latitudes are drawn, angular distances. This is how the latitudes are drawn. Clear? Yes. How did the 30 degree came? How the 60 degrees measured? How the 90 degrees measured? You see, this is your 90 degree. Yes, this is your 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree south, 90 degree north. This is. That's why it is called North Pole and South Pole. Any doubt? Any doubts up to here? Clear? Everyone? Right? Okay. So now, can I say that India, if you look at here, India is almost in the middle of the Tropic of Cancer, passing through it, is almost to the middle, in the middle of Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Am I right here? Clear? This is the middle of the Tropic of Cancer. How? Just we have to draw the maps also. You see, just you can practice it. You know, simply you can practice like this. You can practice. See here. This is how you have to practice the maps also. Within 30 seconds you can draw. if you are practicing it. Is it clear? Yes or no? Perfect map. We got it. Now, if you look at this map, now there is a Tropic of Cancer which is passing through it. This is called Tropic of Cancer. So it is almost Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, through which it is passing through it. Yes or no? Now listen carefully. If this is a Tropic of Cancer, now this is a Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree. Yes or no? 23.5 degree. So sun maximum extent to the north hemisphere is up to this point only. Okay, just see. Can I say now, if the Tropic of Cancer is passing, it is passing through Gujarat, it is passing through Rajasthan, it is passing through Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, yes, Odisha, then West Bengal also. Sorry, not Odisha, it is West Bengal. I'm sorry here. It is your West Bengal, then Tripura and Mizoram. You have to know through which these states Tropic of Cancer is passing. So what are that? Just write it here. Gujarat, Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and your Mizoram. Am I right here? They are passing through this. Now what is the significance, relevance of this Tropic of Cancer? Tell me. What is the relevance of this Tropic of Cancer? Anyone? Online? What is the relevance of this Tropic of Cancer? There should be some relevances of Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic and Antarctic also. Antarctica is cold pole of the earth. It is the coldest pole of the earth. Why? What is the relevance of Antarctica? What is the relevance of Tropic of Cancer? What is the relevance of your Tropic of Capricorn? Now first you tell me this, Tropic of Cancer. Yes, very good here. So from the social, that is what you are linking, natural science with the social science. It is dividing your North India and South India. It is passing, generally we say, the northern part of the Tropic of Cancer is North India, the southern part of the Tropic of Cancer is South India. Yes or no? That is one relevance. Second relevance is about the sun. It is a relationship between your sun and the latitudes. Sun and your earth. Relevance between the sun and the earth. What is the relevance you see? So what is the relevances of this? Simple. What is the relevances of this? See. What is the relevance of Tropic of Cancer? Tropic of Cancer. So what is the relevance you see? First, can I say that in this Tropic of Cancer, if you look at here, this is your one earth, this is two earth. There is no two earth, the same earth is drawn. Okay. So what is the relevance here? You see, this is your earth's rotation. This is a rotation of the earth. This is how earth is revolving around the sun. Now sun is here. Now the sun is here. Again, this is your earth. Right? Sun is here. Sun is here in this way. Right? Now, this is your vertical line. This is a vertical line which I am drawing, you see. But here, if you look at here, there will be a horizontal, that means there will be a horizontal inclined line also. I will talk about that later. But there is an inclined line like this. There is an inclined line like this. Yes or no? So this point, and also this point, and this point, and this point. Right, clear? So this point, 21st June, this is a point where it is 21st June. 21st June. And this point is December 22nd. 22nd December. 22nd December. This is your 23rd March, 21st March. 21st March. September. 23rd September. This is the 23rd September. Okay, so now tell me 21st March. Now listen carefully. 21st March, the north hemisphere, like this. This is a bottle, right? This is a bottle. So this is your sun. How the earth is? Earth is tilted like this. Yes, or earth is tilted like this. That means there is a focus of sunlight on the north hemisphere. Yes, and here earth is tilted like this. That is, south hemisphere is facing the sun. Yes or no? So now here you see the sun is overhead on this. Sun is overhead on the Tropic of Cancer. Am I right? So can I say that this is called as a summer for the north hemisphere? Summer. Yes or no? For USA, for Europe, for Russia, 21st January will be the setting of the summer. Okay, summer starts for them in 21st June. So this is called summer solstice. Solistic or solstice. It is all, for us also it is summer. June 21st is summer. For us also it is summer. So summer solstice means what? Stand still. Sun is vertical on the Tropic of Cancer. That is the relevance now. Can I say this? Sun is vertical on the Tropic of Cancer at 21st June. Now, here, can I say this is your winter solstice? Winter solstice. Am I right? It is a winter solstice. If you look at here, now I'll show you. Okay, with the diagram, I'll show you. Where is this here? Achha, achha. So that one again. Whatever you have written, it will go on. It will be there. Okay. See here. See here. This is your winter and this is your summer. It is there here. Very nice. Thank you. Otherwise, again you have to draw. So you see, this is your sun, right? So the north hemisphere is falling. You look at here, the north hemisphere is receiving sunlight. Yes or no? And here, the south hemisphere is receiving more sunlight. South hemisphere. So can I say here, at 21st June, 1st June, it is called summer solstice. Summer solstice. Okay, it is there, summer solstice. This is what? Winter. This is your winter. That's why in December 22nd, now 2 days back, only we have said it. Yes? So 2 days back only, no, it is. So what is happening here? Can I say that in the north hemisphere, what is the significance now? You see, what is the significance of it? In the north hemisphere, during winter, nights are longer than the days. Am I right? Nights are longer than the days. Yes or no? So that means we'll sleep more. Amma koncham inka padukunda. Yes or no? We'll sleep more. 5 minutes alarm. Just if it comes also, बंद करके सो जाते हैं. Just we switch off the alarm and sleep for a longer period of time. No mood to generally get up. Sun also comes very, very late. 7:38 in some states. Now you are living here, but in some states there is no sun. In Delhi, you cannot see the sun for almost 2 months. Why? Days are shorter than the nights. Is it clear? Then here, what will happen? Days are longer than the nights. Am I clear? Days are longer than the nights. So that is a significance. You see, that is your significance. And also, if you look at this is first significance. So can I say that sunlight intensity is decreasing as we are moving from equator towards pole? Intensity. Sunlight is more. As we move, during 21st June to December varku, sunlight is increasing, but intensity decreasing. So I'll just you see. So simple. Before this, you see. Now I'll come to that point, but you see here. Earth is inclined also, like this. Earth is inclined. So how? Like this. Right? Earth is inclined. This is your 0 degree. Am I right? Now, at what angle it is inclined? This is your angle. At what angle it is inclined? It is inclined at 23.5 degree. This is 23.5 degree. But in textbook, in NCERT, it is written Earth is tilted by 23.5 degree from vertical axis. Earth is, I'm writing here, Earth is tilted 23.5 degree from vertical axis. Am I right? Earth is tilted. This is our vertical axis, no? Earth is tilted 23.5 degrees to vertical axis. But you see, 66.5 degree tilted. 66.5 degree. Okay? 66.5 degree tilt from horizontal plane. So this is a word that has been written. Generally they write in the textbook. NCERT lo ela undi ante 66.5 degree tilted to the horizontal plane. From horizontal plane it is. Horizontal plane, it is 66.5 degree. Now everyone will be confused. Sir, 23.5 degree we have studied, but it is 66.5 degree. That means what? That means 66.5 degree is inclined to the horizontal plane and 23.5 degree inclined to the vertical plane. Now you see, if you look at this, now you see here. Now this is your 30 degree. This is a 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. 30 degree. Now, if you look at this 30 degree, sun will be overhead on 21st June. Am I right? Sun will be overhead the 21st June. 21st June. Now, if it is overhead at the 21st June, like this, overhead, where at 21st June. So can I say it is a summer solstice now for North Hemisphere? If it is a summer solstice, this area, what is this area called? Actually, 1 minute. Okay, what is this area called? Arctic. Yes or no? This is called as Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. So throughout the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. So Arctic Circle will receive 6 months day, 6 months night during 21st June to December 22nd. Yes or no? So this is your 6 months day now. 6 months day. Months day. Daytime. Daytime this is. So if these are receiving, you will see midnight sun also. Norway is a land for midnight sun. This is your, here in this point, you can see midnight sun. Midnight sun. At 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock also you can see the sun. 12 a.m. you can see the sun. Yes or no? Clear? That means this is your shadow which is falling. But here you see, if I draw here, this is your circle. This is what? Antarctica, South Pole. It is completely under the darkness because light is falling only up to here. Yes or no? Am I clear? So this is 6 months day. This will be 6 months night. Night this is. 6 months day, that is your 6 months night. Is it clear? Right? Now, what is the Earth is tilted at 23.5 degree. What is the significance of this? Now tell me. Relevance of it. We have to study the relevance. Ante kada? Relevance cheppandi. What is the significance or relevance of this Earth when it is tilted? Earth, when it is tilted, what is the significance of it? See here. What will be the significance? Simple. Due to the tiltation of the Earth, okay? Due to the tilt of the Earth, what is the significance? Tilt of the Earth, what is the significance? So first significant would be, tell me, just now I told you, in 21st June you are wearing a cloths. What type of cloths? Very thin, because it's summer. Now in 22nd December, what you are wearing? Sweaters here. Yes or no? That means what? Woolen cloths. That means what? There is a seasonal, winter. Yes, winter. There is a seasonal changes occurring. So due to the tiltation of the Earth, first point, first relevance is seasonal changes are taking place. Seasonal changes are taking place. Am I right? Yes or no? Then second is because of the tiltation, day-night duration also changes. Day and night duration also changes. How it changes? You see. How it changes? See here. How it changes? Day length is maximum in the summer solstice. Yes or no? So I'll write it here. Day length will be maximum at summer solstice. Summer solstice. Yes or no? Summer solstice. Solstice. And night length is maximum in winter solstice. Night length is maximum at winter solstice. Am I right? Yes or no? But also, if you look at here, now, if you look at this diagram, okay, this diagram now. Now, if you look at this diagram, can I say that here, in this case, 21st March is your equinox. What kind of equinox it is? Spring equinox. Yes or no? This is a spring equinox. Spring equinox. Equinox. These are over in world geography. These are done in world geography. These are done. Acha, okay. So just I'll get just roughly from India's perspective I'll go. So this is a spring equinox. Spring equinox means day is equal to night. Right? And here it is autumn equinox. Autumn equinox. Equinox. That is your 23rd December. Okay, just write there, day and nights are equal at the equinox here. Day and nights are equal at the equinox. Achha, I could have asked the questions then. I thought it is not over. Geomorphology you have started, I thought. Okay. Day and night are equal. Night are equal. Equinox. This is your equinox? Yes or no? Then, what is the relationship between the earth and the sun relationship with respect to the sun, light? What is the earth and sun relationship? Earth and sunlight relationship. Okay, sunlight. Okay, or the sun relationship based on the sunlight. Sun relationship based on sunlight. Sunlight. What is this? See here. It will be simple. So if this is your earth, this is your equator, this is your 30 degree, this is your 30 degree. Okay, 30 and 30 degree. And you have this. Now, if this is your sun, this is your sun. What will happen? The sun will be here, the sun will be here, and sun also will be here. Am I right? So when the sun will be here, the sun will be here at 22nd December. Right? Sun will be here at 21st June. Sun will be here at two times. One 21st March and 23rd September. March and September. Now tell me, the Tropic of Cancer is the topmost, or the Tropic of Cancer is a limit, topmost limit for the sunrise or sun rays to fall vertical. Can I say this? Yes or no? Tropic of Cancer is the northmost limit for the sunlight, sun rays to fall vertically. Okay? Tropic of Cancer. So what is the relevance here? Tropic of Cancer is the northmost limit, northernmost limit for sun rays to fall vertical. Am I right? It is a sun rays fall vertical. That means sun rays will be overhead. Here it is vertical, means overhead. Overhead. At the same time, you write here, Tropic of Capricorn is the south hemisphere limit. So, Tropic of Capricorn is the south hemisphere limit for overhead sun rays. For overhead sun rays. Yes or no? Now listen carefully. If this is, again I will come to this picture, but before that I will just draw. This is your earth. Oh, sorry, India. Okay, just a minute here. I'll just draw. Right, if this is your India, can I say that here, this is your Tropic of Cancer. Yes or no? So can I say that here the Tropic of Cancer is dividing the India into two halves? What is this half? What is that half? You see here. Simple. Can I say that here, first intensity of the sun rays or sunlight decreasing from equator towards the poles. So the sunlight intensity is decreasing. Sunlight intensity is decreasing. Am I right? So latitudes are inversely proportional to the sunlight intensity. Yes or no? Tell me. Latitudes are inversely proportional to the sunlight intensity. Yes or no? So if these are the situations, now tell me what will be the phenomena at A, what will be the phenomena at B, what will be the phenomena at C? Tell me. Why? Why you are saying that C is very less? C and B are same, no? C, 21st June. No, combinedly, generally you tell me. If the sunlight is falling here, so intensity will be very high A, intensity is very less, and also intensity will decrease here also, like this. Here also intensity is decreasing. But tell me, as you have studied, I am asking you a question, that which northern hemisphere will have more temperature or southern hemispheres? Northern hemisphere will have more temperatures. Okay? Yes or no? But one more thing here. This will be the situation of the earth. This is the situation of the earth. This is a 40-degree north, south, sorry, 40-degree north. And the sun rays is here. So, if the sun rays is here, there is a vertical sunrise almost here. So tell me, these areas receives surplus heat? Surplus heat, yes or no? These areas receives deficit heat. Sunlight is what? Oblique, no? Oblique, like this. So, oblique means deficit heat. Deficit heat. This is also deficit heat. So can I say the same situation is here? A, this is B, and this is C. Yes or no? Now tell me how this deficits and surplus is balanced. That is called as latitudinal heat balance. Heat balance it is called as. Latitudinal heat balance. How to balance this latitude heat balance? How the latitudinal heat balance takes place? Just now I told you. You told me the answer. You all told me. Online. How this latitudinal heat balance takes place? By winds. Yes, by the winds actually. Later I will tell you if the winds fail what will happen. But till now you see that is a winds. Or second point is your ocean circulations. This is called as atmospheric circulations. Atmospheric circulations. And this is second one is called as oceanic circulations. Am I clear? Am I clear here? Point is very clear to you, right? So same way here A, B, C. A, B, C. This is the same picture which I have drawn there. Is it clear? Right? So this is how the Earth, India is falling under the A category. Am I right? But also above the A also India falls. How? You look at here. Above the A also India falls. India, yes. So above the A also like this. India is like this. Yes or no? So can I say that India is divided because of the Tropic of Cancer? One, it is called subtropical zone. You see how the relevance is dragged. One is your tropical zone. The other is your subtropical, the other is tropical. One is subtropical, the other is tropical zone. Is this clear? Yes or no? Am I clear with you? Ask your doubt. You have any doubts? Acha, okay, fine. So, now if I say the location, exact location from the latitudinal point of view, exact location of the India, 8 degree here, India is 8 degree 4 minutes. 8 degree 4 minutes. This is Ladakh point. Ladakh. This is your 37 degree 6 minutes. North. This is also north. This falls under Ladakh. Ladakh. Union Territory. Am I right? This falls under Ladakh Union Territory. So, you see here. Listen. 8 degree. But we say, do you think that 8 degree is India's southernmost point? No, not at all. Which is the southernmost point of the India? We say Kanyakumari. Yes or no? Kanyakumari is the southernmost point on the mainland of India. This is a southernmost point on mainland of India. This is related with mainland of India. Mainland. This is related with mainland of India. Am I right? Yes or no? But, listen carefully, but we also have certain islands here. What are these islands called? Andaman Nicobar Islands. And these Andaman Nicobar Islands, the southernmost tip is 6 degree. 6 degrees. So India starts from 6 degrees to 37. If you include your islands. Right? If you don't include islands, only mainland, 8 degree to 37 degree. Andaman Nicobar. The southernmost point here, Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. Southernmost point. Now tell me, do India get the first? Now, listen question carefully. Do India get first south monsoon winds or south monsoon rainfall, or do the other countries get surrounding to India? If India will get the first rainfall in the southwest monsoons, or do the other countries get it? Which is surrounding India? Now tell me.
Sir, the countries to the south of India.
To the south of India. Which country is there here? South of India?
Sri Lanka.
Acha, okay. Okay, fine here, Sri Lanka. But before Sri Lanka also there is one more country which gets a monsoon. Clear? Myanmar, Arakan Yona Valley, Arakan Mountains, Arakoma Mountains. They will get first hit by the southwest winds. Clear? We'll see. Up to now it's clear, right? So this is your first. So what the latitudes? What is the significance of the latitudes now? Latitudes significance is, can I say, the north and south location. I will get it first. Then what is the importance you see? First I will get the north and south. Second, plus sunlight intensity. I can find out the sunlight intensity. Which are low latitudes Which are low latitudes? Tell me here, which are low latitudes? Low latitudes. We say low latitudes, lower latitudes, latitudes, middle latitudes, and higher latitudes. Higher latitudes. Now what is lower latitudes? What is lower latitudes? Lower latitudes here, 0 to 30 degrees are called in the both the hemisphere. They are called as a lower latitudes. Middle latitudes are 30 to 60 degree or 66 degree. They are called middle latitudes. And above 60 to 90 degree, they are called as higher latitudes. Yes or no? Now tell me, what is the sun intensity at the lower latitudes will be? High or low? At the higher latitudes? Low. Over. So what is the significance of the latitudes? North hemisphere, south hemisphere. North or south? Second, sunlight intensity. Ardhamainda leda. These are first latitudes. Anyone, is it clear or any doubts? Any doubts are there? Yeah, tell me, online students, those who are there, any doubts are there with this regarding location? Locational aspects of India. Okay, next is, if you don't have any doubts, I can proceed. Yes? So now, longitudinal aspects. Locational aspects, so first we have seen latitudes. Second, longitudinal aspects now. Okay, longitudinal aspects. Longitudinal aspects. One second. Longitudinal aspects of India. Okay, longitude of India. Right, location of India, that is from longitudinal aspects. Longitudes or longitudinal aspects of India. Okay, you write longitudinal aspects in answer. In your notebook, just you write longitudinal aspects of location of the India. Okay, so what the longitudes define? What is the significance of the longitudes? Longitudes are what? Can I say imaginary vertical lines? Yes or no? It is a vertical lines which are been drawn. It is a vertical lines which are drawn. So these vertical lines which are drawn, if this is a map, world, if I draw like this, what does it indicate? Towards the right side of the line, it is called east. Towards the west side of the line, left side of the line, west line. That is called west. So longitudes define me west and east. So what is the significance? West and east. West and east. Now only this one, but also plus longitudinal aspects plus also it tells about the time. It tells about the time. That means calculation, time calculation also. Calculation. Time calculation is also done. Yes or no? Now, tell me, is India which part? Eastern part or western part? Now, India is eastern part of the western part. This is your India. India. Right? Now, if I draw this India, there is a point called as London. There is a point called as London. Okay? ऊपर में draw करना है. So here there is a point called as London, and near to the point there is a point called as Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich. There is a village Okay, Greenwich. This is called Greenwich. Greenwich. Now through this Greenwich only, your vertical line has been drawn like this. Like this. So from the vertical lines only, angular distance are drawn. So this is vertical line which is drawn from the Greenwich. This is called prime meridian line. Prime meridian line. Yes or no? This is a prime meridian line. And from this prime meridian line only, your other lines are drawn. What are that? 30 degree, which is joining North Pole and South Pole. And then also 60 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 90 degree, etc. Whatever it is. Like this. These are the lines. These are what? These are called as meridian lines. These are meridian lines. Meridian lines. Meridian. These are prime meridian. No. So, prime meridian and meridian. Prime meridian is 0. Yes. Prime meridian is 0 degree. This is 0 degree. Yes or no? So, it is passing through the Greenwich place, village in your England or UK. Am I clear? Yes or no? They are passing through this Greenwich. Now the question is here, this is your meridian and this is your prime meridian, 0 degree. And this is your west, this is your east, east and west, eastern hemisphere. So can I write that here, this is my eastern hemisphere, this is my eastern hemisphere, and this is my western hemisphere. Western hemisphere. Now where is India falls? Where do India falls? Under this, can I say India is somewhere here? Yes or no? So India is part of eastern hemisphere. Am I right? So here you see India is part of eastern hemisphere. Am I right? Clear here? Yes or no? India is a part of eastern hemisphere. Okay, eastern hemisphere. If you look at this, now, if you look at the map of India, now, if you look at the map of India, you see, these are longitudes and latitudes. You see, these are prime meridian. If you look at the prime meridian here, this is your 0. This is a 0. 0 ki enkala em untundi? Ledu. 180 degree. It has to rotate, you know. It will be 180 degree. Okay, this will be, it will be 180 degree. This will be, it is rotating like this. Yes or no? Person is moving. So 360 degree angle. Am I right? 360 degree angle. So it will be what? It will be 180 degree. 0, 180. Yes or no? Here also up to 180. Here also it will be 180. Ante kada? Yes or no? So where does India falls under this category? Where does India falls under this category? So let us see that. India falls under this category. You see, this is your summer solstice. I'll come to this later. But not there. Where does India? Where is India map? Acha, you see. Now, where does India falls? India falls in this category, like here you see. This is your 60, this point. This point is 68 degree 7 minutes. East longitudes. Okay. And here, this is your 97, this is a point. This is a point, 97 degree 25 minutes east. Am I right? 25 minutes east, that is. And in between, you see, this is your 82.5 degree line which is passing. 82.5 degree line, 82.5 degree line which is passing. Am I right here? So, which is the, can I say that this is your Gujarat region, that is your Arunachal Pradesh region. In Gujarat, Kutch region is the Kutch. Kutch region in Gujarat is a westmost point of India. But in the Kutch region, there is one more point. Exact place, village. Guhar Mota. Guhar Mota is the westernmost point of India. Okay, Guhar Mota is westmost point of India. And your eastern part, Arunachal Pradesh is the eastern part, yes or no? Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost. In this easternmost point, there is a point called as Kibitu. Okay, Kibitu is a eastmost point. Easternmost point. Am I clear here? Yes or no? Is the easternmost point. You see, this Kibitu is the easternmost point, and Gohar Mota is this is your west and this is your east. Yes or no? Gohar Mota is your west and your Kibitu is the easternmost point of India.